Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you restart your Gardenscapes game. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. So go ahead guys and try to open it. If for some reason you can't open it, but if you can, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. But let's say that you can maybe open it, or maybe you can't even open it, so you want to restart your game. It doesn't matter, it is done in the same way. So guys, this is how to do it. As you can see, here is the main page. So we want to exit out of the Gardenscapes application. And now guys, what we want to do is go ahead and long hold the Gardenscapes application. So long hold it guys, and it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu with options, and you want to click the app info section right here. Click on app info, and it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu where you can see your app info, and you want to go ahead and click on storage and cache. Click on storage and cache guys right here, and then you want to go ahead and click on clear storage and click on clear cache. So you can click these two options, and this will now delete all of your data, and you will be able to restart your game by entering the game again, and then you can create a new account and log into a new account. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.